Hey everyone, today I'm going to be talking about the Patchology Hydrate Flash Mask. It's a facial sheet mask, and this specific one says that it is ideal for dry skin types or any time skin is fatigued and dehydrated. It's a 5-minute mask, so you put it on. It is a sheet mask. So it's basically just like very, very moistened. It's like drenched in the liquid. Put it on your face and you just let it soak in for 5 minutes. Just remove it from your face. The back of it has details. In the description of it, it says, deliver a mega dose of moisture with our fast-acting Hydrate Flash Mask Facial Sheet. Designed to quench, refresh, and plump the look of thirsty skin. Each sheet is made of luxe fabric that stays put as you move and has a barely there look once applied. In just 5 minutes, you're left with skin that's silky, replenished, and youthfully plush and dewy. Then it has your list of power ingredients. Hyaluronic acid hydrates skin to help improve elasticity. Vitamin B5 softens, smooths, and moisturizes. And then betaine helps skin retain moisture for super hydration. Really love this brand of sheet masks. It comes in a few different ones. I really like the Hydrate one because my skin can get really dry, especially in the winter time. In my T-zone it gets really dry, so I really like using this a couple of times a week. It leaves my skin feeling nice and dry. Has directions here and then a step-by-step picture. So to use it, you unfold the mask and apply to clean, dry skin. This is the step that I will do usually. I will take the makeup off with a makeup wipe and then use a foaming cleanser, exfoliator, and then I'll go in with this. So apply it to clean, dry skin, place over your entire face, pressing the material snugly into facial contours. So it takes a little bit of practice, I feel like, to use a sheet mask, because the first couple of times I used it, it definitely was strange getting it to contour to your face, because everyone's face is different and it's a one-size-fits-all type. So it's really interesting. It's also, if you have like a small face, I kind of have a small face, it's really interesting to try to use it because it's very large. It's probably going to go down to your neck, and it's just interesting. So then you leave it on for 5 minutes or longer if desired. It's not one of those things where, like, if you leave it on for too long, it's going to get stuck to your face. It's going to be hard to come off. It's soft, it doesn't get hard, comes right off really easily. And then you discard. No need to rinse, as a mask serum will fully absorb into skin, and then follow with your normal skincare regimen. So that's the other thing that I really like about this, is that I don't have to rinse it. It is like a serum-y type of thing that is in here, and the sheet mask is drenched in it, and so that just absorbs into your skin, which is really, really nice. I love that I don't have to worry about absorbing. I've always wondered, sometimes I'm never sure whether to do toner before or after this, because it doesn't really say. And I've tried looking it up. Different people do different things. So if you use a toner, I would do it before. So I would do facial wipe, makeup remover, cleansing foam, exfoliator, toner, the Patchology sheet mask, and then moisturizer. I know that sounds like a lot of steps, and it really, really is a lot of steps, but that's just what you gotta do sometimes for beautiful, glowy skin. This leaves my skin feeling fresh. It leaves it looking really dewy and glowy, and it's so great, and I just really, really love it. This came in a package of 3. You can also just get them separately though. Back of it has your list of more ingredients, some warnings: avoid contact with eyes. If irritation occurs, stop and rinse thoroughly with water. I would say that you do have to be careful. when you're putting it on. It's because it will drip. It is kind of, like I said, it's a little difficult to use, especially before you get used to it. So just like be aware that it is easy to actually have this come in contact with your eyes, so just be really careful. And you're just gonna have to play with it a little bit to get it to form to your face. It says that it is designed in the USA, but it's made in Korea. You can get more information at Patchology.com. It makes sense to me that it's made in Korea, just because Korea has, like, they are known for, like, their skincare regimen and all of their skincare products. And I believe sheet masks actually gained popularity from Korea, and they're something that's really trending right now. So that's really cool. Yeah, it comes in just a little package like this. It's really easy to travel with. It has a little tear here indents, so it's really easy to just tear, and it's really user friendly. The package is just a one-time use type of thing, so you just throw it away afterwards. So yeah, this is a really great product. I highly recommend this sheet mask to anyone looking for hydration and a nice glowy, dewy look to their skin. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video.